Tam Sri Chaitanya Prabhu Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nanda Nandanang Bande Radhika Charanadayam Gopi Jana Samajukta Vrindavana Manoharam Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Paramaradha Guru Pad Padma, Om Vishnu Pad, Paramhansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Om Vishnu Pad, Paramhansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnupad Srila Bhaktivedanta Tripram Goswami Maharaj, with all associates Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, especially my spiritual grandsire Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. I convey my full prostration Dandavat unlimited times, and I pay my obeisances unto the lotus feet of all my Guru Parampara, and convey my Dandavat Pranam, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, the speaker and listener who organizing and who is listening. I convey my Dandavat Pranam to them. My topics, the speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. So, what I have heard from Srila Gurudev and my Guru Maharaj and other Vaishnavas, try to present to in front of you all. All of you are intelligent and you know Tattva Siddhanta, so you will judge this proper or not. So Srila Gurudev is to tell the religion of Kali Yuga is Harinam. It mentioned in the scripture, Harinama, Harinama, Harinama iva kevalam, Kalau nastiva, nastiva, nastiva gatirannatha. In Kali Yuga, only holy name, only holy name, only holy name. There is no other way, no other way, no other way. And for this reason, for this Sriman Mahaprabhu told, Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. The Krishna Sankirtan supremely be victorious. So in this topic, Srila Gurudev told that Rupa Goswami Pad told his speciality that what Shravan is topmost, then Kirtan. So for Kirtan we need Mridanga, Karatal, etc. as a musical instrument. Especially in Kali Yuga Mridanga, Srila Gurudev told on the basis of Rupa Goswami Pad, there are three mridangas. One is made of clay, and for Western devotee they made of fiber called Balaram. So this is one type of mridanga. Second mridanga is book. The first mridanga is sound will go only few meters, and the Brihad mridanga, the book, what Gurudev published so many books. If Gurudev suppose not to come in this world, will be bereft from all of these books, because only available was in Bengali. Gurudev available for Hindi speaking person and English speaking person. Gurudev did so many books. Some of the name of the some books my previous Madhubrata has mentioned about that. This is called Brihat Mridanga. Then third is Jivanta Mridanga, living Mridanga. Who are they? They are the devotees. Like Gurudev, living Mridanga, he traveled one place to another place, one end to another end of this earth planet, and he distribute the glory of Sriman Mahaprabhu and speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. They call Jivanta Mridanga. This is special Rupa Goswami Pad which I have heard from Srila Gurudev. Then Rupa Goswami is telling, so how that he has told Adav Shraddha to achieve Krishna Prem. Krishna is not our goal. Our goal is to achieve Krishna Prem. Some may ask why Krishna is not our goal. Kamsa has seen Krishna. so many demons, witches, they have seen Krishna. Is there any love come in their heart? Gurudev told, Rupa Goswami Pad told, no, never. So if there is prem, then they can love Krishna, and Krishna is controlled by them. Even in Braj, there is Jotila and Kutila. Jotila is the mother-in-law of Srimati Radhika. She has no love for Krishna like Mother Jasoda, Mother Rohini and others. Kutila also young Gopi. She has no love for Krishna like Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, Lolita Bisakha, Chandavali, Radhika, etc. So they have seen Krishna. So only seeing Krishna is not everything. To sing Krishna, you need prem. So to achieve prem, first have to do Savan. First, Rupa Goswami Pad told about 64 limbs of bhakti. Then he thought, in Kali Yuga, it will be too much for them, because it mentioned Bhagavatam, Prayana Alpa Ayusha Sabha Kalavasmin Yugeyana, Manda Sumanda Matayo Manda Bhagajjupadruta. Mostly in Kali Yuga, their lifespan is very short. And if somebody has little more, then what is there? They are infected by so many diseases. And some, if there is no sadhu sangha, if someone is getting sadhu sangha, they have no ruchi, no taste for sadhu sangha. So Kali Yuga is so dangerous. So Rupa Goswami Pad is from 64 to make it 9. Shravan Kirtan Smaran. So in Shravan Kirtan Smaran, first is Shravan. The Rupa Goswami Pad, basis of Rupa Goswami Pad, Gurudev told that the more Shravan, the more Kirtan is possible. If perfect Shravan, then perfect Kirtan is possible. If there is no perfect Shravan, no perfect Kirtan. So Rupa Goswami emphasis in Shravan, and Gurudev always emphasizes us to listen Hari Katha. Why? Our beloved Param Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj and other Acharyas told, Krishna darshan possible by ear, not this materialized. Why ears? It mentioned by Srimati Radha Thakurani. She is expressing her idea, her situation, what happened in her heart. They are glorifying Krishna. Radhika telling to Lolita, oh Lolite, কানের ভিতর দিয়া মরমে পশিল গো আকুল করিল মোর প্রাণ সই কেবা শুনাইল শ্যাম নাম সই কেন শুনাইলি শ্যাম নাম. Oh my dear friend, why you uttering name of Krishna? Why the name of Sam? Who make me hear the name of Sam enter through my ears and make me disturbed? My life is now in danger. So Shravan, perfect Shravan, perfect Kirtan, then Krishna is possible. Then Gurudev is telling the speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami Pad has composed so many books. We will tell top of them, two is best. What? Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Ujjal Nilmani. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is the definition books of Bhakti cult. So Gurudev tell the speciality of Rupa Goswami. If there is no Rupa Goswami in this world, nobody knows the proper definition of Bhakti, Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti, Prema Bhakti. All the Bhakti Swami is Sindhu, full of definition. Second one, there are Bhakti is two types. One is Vaidhi Bhakti, another Raganuga Bhakti. Even Rupa Goswami Pad giving definition of Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. If Rupa Goswami is not there, nobody knows. Top of that, Gurudev telling that those two types, one primary, another secondary. Primary rose divided into 5: Shanta, Dasa, Sukha, Vatsalya, Madhur. I'm not going to explain because I had time limit 30 minutes. Other hand, the secondary, Hasya, Adbhut, Korun, Raudra, Bhayanak, Veer and Bibhatsa. So out of 12, the 5 are prominent: Shanta, Dasya, Sukha, Vatsalya, Madhur. Especially in Braj, Sukha, Vatsalya and Madhur is top. In Shanta, in Braj, Shanta is latent position. Dasa, pure Dasa is not possible in Braj. Though there is servant like Raktak, Patrak, etc., they are not pure Dasa. They are not servant of Krishna. They are servant of Nanda Baba. They are taking Krishna in their lap. They are kissing Krishna. If Krishna is telling anything, then they chastise. Oh, Krishna, if you tell the second time, then complain to Nanda Baba. Krishna became scared. Sometimes Krishna writing letter for gopis. They are carrying letter of Krishna and hand over into gopis. So they are not pure Dasa. And Sakha Vatsalya Madhur. In Bhakti Swami Sindhu Gurudev tell that up to Vatsalya is there, Madhur, very, very minute form. Who is Madhur Rasasrita Bhakta want to achieve the love of Braj Gopis, they have to do Anusilan of Ujjal Nilmani. Otherwise, not possible. So many things explained. Gurudev published both book in Hindi, Bhakti Swami, no, sorry, Ujjal Nilmani, and Bhakti Swami Gurudev worked, I myself worked on that, and somebody destroyed the file, and Gurudev was lamenting so much, oh, we work hard so much. At that time, 3 months we worked in Bhakti Sindhu in being in Hawaii. Madhu Prabhu was with us, but he has no idea what book is going on, what is, but we were lamenting so much. Or Madhu was not started. Now at that time, Sundar Gopal was with us. What maybe what happened. So now Gurudev is telling, Rupa Goswami at last he composed one small book. It's called Upadesamritam, Nectar of Instruction. In there he's telling so many things, how to increase bhakti, who will be Jagat Guru, who can make disciple everywhere, who is Jagat Guru, how bhakti will be destroyed, how bhakti will nourish, telling everything. After that he's telling Tannama Rupa Charitadi Sukirtananusmritta Kramena Rasana Manasi Niyajya Tisthan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalang Naid Akhilam Ittupadesa Saram. Gurudev is telling this is the topmost speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. It seems that is very simple, Gurudev is telling, but not. It's extremely difficult. People may think Gurudev is telling that Bhakti Swami Sindhu is specially to her Ujjal Nilmani topmost speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. Yes, it's true, no doubt. But how to enter there for conditioned soul like myself, how to enter, then have to do this slow. Gurudev is telling for sadhakas, this is the topmost teachings, topmost speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. That is for Siddha. From here, this platform, sadhan platform, they'll do sadhan, then they'll go there. What is in Aprakat Braj, Rupa Goswami had present in Ujjal Nilmani, Bhakti Sindhu, everything. You have to follow and try to go up, upper, then to enter there. So what is the significance of this? Why Gurudev telling this is a topmost speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad for sadhakas, for conditioned soul? Why? Then Gurudev explained, who joined Gurudev early 80s, they became so fortunate. At that time, Gurudev teaching so many ways to us, 3 times every day class. And top of that, not only class, have to serve all activity of mothers. There is no water, have to bring from outside. We did everything. And have to memorize slokas every day. Otherwise, during class, stand up whole time. So we pass through like this. So Tannama Rupa Charitadi. Tannama means this is Sanskrit slok. If we disjoin Sandhi Tannama Tat plus Nama Tannama, then what is the meaning of Tat? Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur has explained in his Jaiva Dharma. Then there is two substance. One is Tat, another Tam. Tat means Bhagavan, Tam means Jeev. I believe first chapter of Bhakti Sindhu or second chapter maybe. So Tat Nama means name of Sri Krishna. Krishna's name is two types. What? One is primary and the secondary. Secondary is related to creation of this world, and primary related to different rasas like Sokha Vatsalya Madhur. Top of that is Madhur, like Gurudev telling Radhanath, Radhakanta, Radha Raman Bihari, Radha Govinda, Radha Gopinath, Radha Giridhari, Radha Damodar, Radha Madhav, etc. This is topmost name. Tannama. Why? If there is no name, then to whom I addressing? How he will know that I am calling Krishna? I am to whom I calling? Gurudev is to tell there are so many brahmacharis or so many devotees. If I tell, oh Madhubrata, come here, what you cook for me, bring here. And Madhubrata will bring. If Gurudev tell others, they will not come. Madhubrata will not come, or myself will not come. So name is needed. First is name. And special in Kali Yuga is what? Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Iva Kevalam. Only holy name, holy name, holy name. Name means Nam. Nam. So name is needed. Tannama. Then Rupa. Rupa means his form. So many telling that Bhagavan has no form. For this reason, my spiritual grandsire in his Pranam Mantra is mentioned, Nidvishesha Sunnavadi Paschatta Desatarine. My spiritual grandsire, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, delivered Western country. How? They are Sunnavadi. They believe Krishna has no form, no attribute, nothing. But Rupa Goswami telling, no, Gurudev telling, no, form is there. Although Krishna has so many qualifications about his form, so many places described, but Srila Gurudev told that Krishna's form has mentioned in 3 places in Bhagavatam. One by Jaggik Patni, the wife of Brahmanas. What is that? They are mentioning that Samam Hiranya Paridhi Vanamalla Barha Dhatu Prabala Natavesam Anubratangshe Vinna Sahasta Itarena Dhunabjab Arnam Karnat Palala Mukhabjab Hasam, like this. Samam Hiranya Paridhi. Krishna is decorating himself by yellow cloth. I am not going to explain because time is short. Then the Sampradak Acharya, Srila Vyasdev, he predicted in Dapar Yug, in Kali Yug, 4 pure Sampradaya will be there. Sri, Brahma, Rudra, Sanak. Sri means goddess of fortune. Lakshmi Devi will create one Sampradaya. Our prominent Acharya will be Sri Ramanujacharya. Brahma means the creator of this universe, 4-headed Brahma, will create one Sampradaya. Prominent Acharya will be Sri Madhacharya. Rudra, the presiding deity of devastation, Shiv Thakur, he will start one Sampradaya. Prominent Acharya will be Sri Vishnu Swami. Then first son of Brahmaji, Sanak, he created 4 sons at a time, first time, Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. So these 4 Kumars became one unit. So it called Chotussan Sampradaya, means Chotu means 4, San means son, is called Chotussan Sampradaya or Sanak Sampradaya, because Sanak was the eldest one. So their prominent Acharya will be Sri Nimbaditya. So the creator of this universe, Brahmaji, is telling that no middhate abrabapuse tadidambaraya dunja batang sapari pichalla sanmukhaya varnasaji kabalabhatra visanu venu laksmasri midupade pasupanga jaya. When Krishna is going for cow raising, no middhate abrabapuse, Brahma is doing pranam. What? Abrabapuse, whose bodily complexion like fresh cloud. No middhate abrabapuse tadidambaraya. And what is his cloth? Tadit, like thunderbolt color. I am not going to explain. So then Braj Gopis, when Krishna coming back after cow grazing, Braj Gopis, they coming on the border of Nandagaon. According to Indian Vedic cult, the married girl will not come from out of their house. It's very strict at that time. But Braj Gopis coming, how come? Srimati Radha Thakurani's father, Vishwabhanu Maharaj, he made one palace for his darling daughter Radhika in the bank of Pavan Sarovar. So Braj Gopis, like Radhika, Lolita, Vishaka, her group coming, they are staying there, they are watching Krishna how he is entering in Nandagaon. Some are climb on the top rooftop, on the roof, some are looking through windows, some are open their door looking like this. And they are describing especially Radha Thakurani, what? Barha pidam natavarabapu karnayo karnikaram vibrad vasa kanakavi samvayantin chamalam randhan venu radhar sudhaya purayan gopa brindai brindarannam sapataravanam pravisad gita kirti. What? Barha pidam natavarabapu. What gopis are telling? That Krishna holding one peacock feather top of his crown, top of his head. Barhapidam Natavara Bapu, and is how is coming? Like in dancing pose. You want to dance. Karnayo Karnikaram. What is doing? He is taking one kaned flower, this yellowish color, and Krishna taking only one. Gurudev telling why this? This is a symptom of careless. Krishna is careless. And time to time, and what? Tadidam Karna Karna Vibrada Basam Karna Vajantin Chamalam. And sometimes Krishna taking from one ear to another ear. Why? Sometimes moving. Gurudev telling by this, Krishna is twisting or moving Gopi's heart. So Karna Karna Vibrada Basa Kanaka Gopisam. What color he is using? Yellowish color. And putting garland Vajantin Chamalam. The garland neck from neck to his feet. Krishna is in two types of garland. One Vaijanti Mala, another Banamala. So Vaijantin Chamalam Randhan Venu Radhar Sudhaya, and is playing flute. Purayan Gopa Brindaya, and all the Gopas is following him, returning from cow raising. They are what they are doing. Jai Kanaya Lalki, Jai Kanaya Lalki. Krishna must be supreme victorious, supreme victorious. Gopis watching, and they became bewildered. Gurudev telling speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad, when Krishna going for cow grazing, 3 times will be announced. What? Mukunda going for cow grazing. 3 times, then they will start. When they will go for cow grazing out of Braj, Mother Jasoda order Baladev Prabhu, Mandali Bhadra and Subhadra, they are elder than Krishna and they are very healthy, like chubby, very sound health. Why Mother Jasoda telling, Gurudev telling Rupa Goswami speciality, that Mother Jasoda's idea, if any demon or danger will come, they will face them and they can destroy that danger. Then Krishna has not to face any danger. On the way back, Krishna will come forward. All Mandali Bhadra, Subhadra, Balabhadra will come, be behind. Why? If any danger come from behind, they will face that danger. Krishna will be free. This is secondary thing. What is the primary cause? Gurudev telling specialty of Rupa Goswami Pad. Because when Krishna is going, so many young gopis want to watch Krishna. They want to do Krishna's arati by the ghee-wick lamp. What is that? That is their crooked drishti, sidelong glance. If Balabhadra Prabhu, Subhadra, Mandali Bhadra, if they will be with Krishna, this is not possible for them. So they are going ahead. So Krishna is behind. Krishna looking towards young gopis with his sidelong glance, and the reciprocating with Krishna's sidelong glance. This is primary. When Krishna coming back, coming in front, then cows, and behind the all others. But Madhumangal, Subal, Ujjal, Basanta, Bhinga, Kokil, they are pure Norma Sakha. On the way for cow racing, on the way back, always they with Krishna. Their mood will nourishing Krishna's mood. So when Krishna coming back, then Krishna and gopis are reciprocating each other with their sidelong glance. So this is the significance of Rupa. So Varha Pidam Natavarabapu is the topmost Krishna's form mentioned by, described by gopis. Tannama Rupa Charitadi. Charit means like pastime. Like Krishna has so many names. Each and every name has some significance. Each and every name has some pastime behind this. Like as for example, I'm giving only small example, like Govinda. Why Govinda? What is significance there? Braj gopis, they want Krishna close to them, and Krishna want Braj gopis come close to him, but they cannot. They could not. Why not? There is some difficulties, some obstacle. What obstacle? That's Gurujan, superiors there, how they can talk each other. It is not like modern era. Oh, I don't care for anyone. We can meet together. I love you, love you. In that time, not like this. So, what? Braj Gopis want Krishna be close to us. Krishna want Braj Gopis will be close to us. Due to fear of Guru Varga, both of them could not come. An obstacle for etiquette. Etiquette from society, etiquette for superior, so many things are there. So they could not come together, could not come very close to each other. But if there is any danger, if they will be together, then none can suspect, none can doubt. So Krishna is thinking how to come Gopi, how to bring Gopi close to him. Then Krishna only desire is Jogmaya potency, arrange everything. Jogmaya Prabhu, for what purpose I am in this world? And Jogmaya has two forms, one called Murta form, another Amurta form. Murta means manifest form, Amurta means unmanifest form. What Gurudev told the special of Rupa Goswami Pad. In the pastime of Lord Ram and Lord Mahaprabhu, Jogmaya has unmanifested form. Like Mother Sachi Devi told Mahaprabhu, you should not go to Vrindavan, stay in Jagannath Puri. This is Jogmaya spoke through Sachi Devi, Sachi Mata. Lord Ram pastime, Kaikeyi told Ram to go forest exile 14 years. This is spoke, Jogmaya spoke through Kaikeyi Devi. And for Krishna's pastime, Jogmaya Purnamas is there in manifest form. So, well, what I am, what purpose I can arrange? Then she bewildered the mind of Krishna. And Krishna, sorry, he built the mind of Indra. Indra, then because Krishna stopped the worshipping Krishna or Indra Puja, and he suggests Nanda and all Brajavasis to worship Giriraj Govardhan. They did so. What happened? Then everything done. Then did Parikrama. Then what happened? Indra start to heavy rain to destroy Braj, omit the Braj name from the world map. Then Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. all Braj Gopis, all Rasas, Hassa Sakha, Dasa, Santa Dasa Sakha, Vatsala Madhur, Hassa Adbhut Karun, Rodra Bhayanak Vidvats all came together. They're living together, looking each other. When Krishna looking towards Gopi, especially Radhika, then he trembling. And then Giriraj Govardhan, what Krishna is holding, trembling. Then Madhumangal pinch. Hey Sale, what you are doing? You know, mother said, don't look Gopis towards them now inside long. Then Krishna became alert. So Krishna wanted that by this pastime, the Braj Gopis came close to Krishna, and Krishna came close to them. This is danger, the none can suspect, none can doubt. This is Charit. And when Indra understood Krishna's supreme personality, Godhead, he did blunder mistake. Went to where? Golok, where Mother Surabhi lives. Keep Surabhi in front of him and ask forgiveness. And Indra did Abhishek of Lord Krishna and kept name Govinda. This is Charit. Damodar. Damodars are two types. One is Yashoda Damodar, another Radha Damodar. Krishna stolen butter from his own house. So Mother Yashoda bind Krishna with grinder mortar. Yashoda Damodar. Once Gurudev told, and he's explaining Damodar Ashtak, Damodar, Radha Damodar, three times gopis, three different places, 3 different time. They tie Krishna's Pitambar and Radhika's Chundari, upper cloth together, and they're singing the wedding song. And Radhika, why they are telling and laughing, joking, clapping? Radhika want to run away, then could not because she was tied with Krishna. Radha Damodar. This is Charit. Tanno Charitadi, Sukirtananu. Yes, Sukirtananu means not Kirtan, Sukirtan. The more you'll do Savan, then more you'll do Kirtan, then you Sukirtan. If you not listen from Vaishnavas or Guru, bona fide Vaishnavas or Guru, it did not be Sukirtan. Sukirtananu. Not only that, I will explain. Sukirtananu, Tadanu Ragi. Have to listen from Tat means Krishna's Anuragi, who has love and affection for Krishna, have to listen from them. Yogi, from Yogi Guru, Karmi Guru, listen, not work. So Tadanuragi, who has Anurag for Krishna, have to listen from them. Jananugami, and who is Krishna's own Jan, own kith and kin, have to listen from them. Here, 3 Anus are there. Sukirtananu, 1 Anu. Then Tadanuragi, Tad Anuragi, 2nd Anu. And Jananugami, Jan Anugami, 3rd Anu. Why that means only under guidance, under guidance, under guidance. This Anu means Anugatta. Another, what Gurudev telling the special Goswami Pad, Anu means continuous, continuous, continuous. Today I heard and sometimes, oh, no need, I became so qualified. Blood work. And Anu means Nirantar, continuous. Anu means Anugatta. Anu means Pratidin, every day. These 3 Anu. So it mentioned Tadanuragi, Jananugami, Sukirtananu, 3 Anus. The speciality of Rupa Goswami, always Rupa Goswami Pad emphasizing Anugatta, emphasizing continuous, emphasis every day for this 3 Anu. Kalam Nait Akhila Mittu Padishasaram. By this we have to pass our time. This is the what? This is the essence of all advice Rupa Goswami telling, the speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. Gurudev telling the speciality of Gurudev and speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. If someone can follow this slok in his whole life, then Krishna Prem in his hand, inside his fist. No need to go anywhere, Gurudev telling. Like Gurudev telling, quoting on slok, that Chintamani Loka Sukham, Suradru Sarga Sampadam, Prajachati Pita Guru, Vaikuntha Jagidur Labham. Chintamani Loka Sukham. If somebody has jewel called Chintamani, what do you think will fulfill his desire? Only can give the vastu, material thing of this world, not beyond of this. Chintamani Loka Sukham. 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 Chintam loka sukham. Suradru sarga sampadam is someone is serving. Suradru means kalpavriksha, desire available in heavenly planet, not in this planet. Sometime you can get. Gurudev gave one example. One king went for hunting. He rushed one wild boar, but he separated from his military and minister. He was coming back inside the forest or deep forest. There is no highway, boulevard. So he's coming. He forgot he's searching his minister and military, and became tired. Was sitting, telling, "Oh, I am very thirsty. If I get one glass of water," immediate one glass of water came. Then he's thinking, sitting the same place in under the tree. Oh, if I get some prasad, some meal, then I can eat. He get. Oh, when you are tired, full stomach, then you want to lie down. Oh, there is no bed. If I can get one rail bed, I can. Immediate, no one is there. Bed coming, sleep. He was deep sleep. Midnight, tiger roaring, lion roaring, elephant trumpeting. Oh my goodness, where I am. Oh my goodness, I am in the forest. Even tiger came. Immediate tiger appeared there. Tiger follow me, follow him. Guru is telling, because you are sitting under desire tree. If it was the tiger can take me on his back and take me to my royal palace and be my pet, then it will be possible. What maybe it is called? Suradru Sarga Sampadam. Then only can get up to heavenly plane, not more than that. Prajachati Pito Guru Vaikuntha Yogi Durlabham. If any yogi, they are destined up to Vaikuntha, not beyond Vaikuntha. They are also very rare. So if Prajachati Pito Guru, if any bona fide Guru, Rasik, Braja Rasik, Gurudev is pleased, he will give you destination going beyond Vaikuntha. Gurudev one book also there, going beyond Vaikuntha. You can get your destination, means going beyond Vaikuntha means Golok Vrindavan. With the speciality of Gurudev, speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. Prior to Gurudev, there are so many acharyas came. What they are distributed, and Gurudev distribution is not same. Gurudev is to tell, I came in this world only to distribute Raganuga Bhakti, especially Rupanuga Bhakti. Why? Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, Radha Dasir Krishna Sarva Vede Bole. All Veda are telling Krishna controlled by the maid servant of Radhika. Maid servants Palladasi or Kinkari. So this is the speciality of Gurudev. Before that, no one is telling our ultimate goal is Radha Dasam. Gurudev freely distribute this. Who has listened from Gurudev 1 to years, even very young kid, can ask them what is your destination, they will come Radha Dasam. The speciality of Gurudev. For what reason Rupa Goswami Pad came? Rupa Goswami Pad came to distribute Radha Dasam, but he's not telling openly what Gurudev told. And how to enter there, how Gurudev is explaining. The basis of Rupa Goswami Siddhanta, no one tells this. Speciality of Gurudev, speciality of Rupa Goswami Pad. So Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj ki jai, whose Virhati just finished yesterday. And Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj ki jai, centennial festival finished yesterday. Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj ki jai, who is the three out of one pillars of three pillars of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, or who is organizing this and give me scope to speak there. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Thank you so much, Maharaj.